The LinkIQ Cable Plus Network Tester helps you whether you're installing or troubleshooting. It provides cable testing you can trust along with the network testing you need. It's got a gesture-based touchscreen that makes operation as easy as your mobile phone. For testing cable, you just need to plug in the cable into the tester and then select the bandwidth you require up to 10 gigabits per second. Then attach a remote ID to the far end of the cable. An optional kit provides you 7 remotes so that you can place one at the end of multiple cables. Then you can test multiple cables at a time, allowing you to maximize your efficiency. Each cable will get a pass or fail indication on the tester based on the bandwidth requirements that you've set. You can save up to 1,000 tests in the LinkIQ. It automatically increments the cable identifier to save you time. You can document and share your work on our free LinkIQ PC utility, which is used by tens of thousands of users worldwide. Using LinkIQ PC allows you to generate a PDF report even with your own logo. If the cable fails, LinkIQ can help you find the problem. The display shows miswires and it will show you the distance to opens or breaks. You can also find the right cable with the built-in toner that works with our IntelliTone or any basic analog probe. LinkIQ can also help you troubleshoot or install network devices. Plug it into the device's connection and you'll see what's on the other end. If you're simply just testing the cable, it will show you the length of each pair or the distance to any breaks. If it's connected to a switch port, you'll see the switch name along with the port and VLAN number, the speed, and duplex settings. LinkIQ also performs extensive power over Ethernet tests. It shows you the class and the amount of power being advertised, and it also places a load on the PoE connection to see if the power can be delivered. You can document your results and save them in LinkIQ PC. The LinkIQ Cable Plus Network Tester. Try it yourself on your virtual demo.